and they thanked Jesus for this award. I want you to know that no one had less to do with this award than Jesus. He didn't help me a bit. So all I can say is, suck it, Jesus. This award is my God now.
My fellow Americans, we will no longer be oppressed by the fascism of Christianity. Because I see you all sitting out there trying your hardest to fit in, trying your hardest to earn your way into heaven. But let me ask you, do you want to be in a place that's filled with a bunch of
Haganag video ngin page kumno usoitan upendon kam yaki Norway perthei ban yele percha ya Jisu bad yak jingeng Kristan upendon kamru yaki ban pensap yang yaki kam snew kam auria ki jingdi kiat jingdi drok ka jing im langkar bad ka jing im ka bajngai na ublei ubasisha laithu lepa ha ka kten ublei bah ki sngi ki bakhadu ki briu kin long ki bahapno na ka jingei da ke ba penca skor ha ke jinghi kai ki ksut bat ki mensem bersyukur badru ha ki sngi ki bakhadu kin wan ki por besitom namar ki briu kin long ki be itang yalade ki be itsbai ki bakren sarong ki bakren snew ki bam quit ki barunar ki be it ya ki jing snew bha khamtam ban ya ke be it ya ublei taru kom pencoy jong usaitan ya ke im ha ke per iden ka yai peting haman la ke peting benriu badru hadu kane kapateng kaba menta barkane karukom lene ka taktik jong soitan kalong lang balai teli ki aka kine kilong ka jingkwa brai jong kado ka jingkwa brai jong ki khmat bat ka jing sarong thala jong ka jing im kan mau bahaya kine namar nakapor sakapor usoitan upendon kam dakine ki taktik lene ki rukom ban pengop yangi ki briu haki jingriam jong u ladapi page bat pencong nong rim bahaya ki jingroi perthei ki film perthei ki fashion show bat ki wei de pinyo I yakine ki laitali ki rukom ki baktik ya ka jingko abrai jong kado ka jingko abrai jong ki khmat bat ka jing sarong jong ka jing im le kat bemon im kat bemon le percha ya ke baro ka jing hikai ublei lendet no ya ublei ubai sisa bat pelong blei ya lade kini baro ki long ki jing hikai jong ubeman Alistair Crowley, who belong unong maneksut uong. Do what thou will, shall be the whole of the law. Lekat ka bapimon, kata ka long ka hukum baro. Ngatharay barong itip ka MTV. Ka MTV ka de ka music television, ka ba na New York City, Amerika. Ka papan I ki music video beper, bat ka long ka atyar jong soitan ban kring ya ki kena bat ki samla. CEO berim jong ka MTV Robert W. Pittman Ukren yakin ki kenten ka jing pachat jing mut baklan pila ban le ka long lengba ki jing sneu lada pila ban bat yak jing sneu jong ki balada pila ban perlong yaki ban klep ban perkhat bat pencong nong rim yak aka pila yo bat yaki ban le kat ka bapikwa uong ru HMTV ngim don kam setia ban siat lene ban thong yaki khanna khat sausnem kila long lopa ki jongi langba ki jingroi rock and roll hip hop pop bat ki we de ki jingroi perthei usoitan ulayo ban penpriang yaki jinghikai jong u laitali ki agenda jong usoitan gin pe kabanengkong ban yele percha ya Jisu Kris bat yaki jingai Kristan kabar ban pengop yaki nongroi bakin dino ialah kemensem syau kabalai ban penpriang ya kenyam satanism tongin page ya kenega agenda kabanengkong jong usaitan berkata kalong ban yele percha ya Jisu Kris badia kejingai Kristan kumno une usaitan upendon kam ya kinorwai perthei ki bapaunam ban keren percha ya Jisu Kris badia kejingai Kristan kine kinorwai haden bagi lapaunam badon cibun kinongbut ki kren serong daga ba ong baki kampaunam meki ban yau Jisu Kane kejingkren jongki kalong kejingkren ben yau Jisu bat yaki nongbut jongo.
Spaniard in the works, John Lennon portrayed Jesus Christ as a, quote, garlic-eating, stinking, little, yellow, greasy, fastest blank Catholic Spaniard, end quote. When Lennon tried to defend his boasting that he was more popular than Jesus, he stated,
I think as Beatles, as though those other Beatles, like other people say it, I just said they are having more influence on kids and things than anything else, including Jesus.
Lennon, though, said much more when you look at his comment in total. Quote, Christianity will go. It will vanish and shrink. I needn't argue that. I'm right and I will be proven right. We're more popular than Jesus now, end quote. John Lennon and the Beatles were fully antichrist. In Lennon's book, Spaniard in the Works, he speaks of, quote, white trash Christian, and he blasphemes the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit by speaking of, quote, the Father, Sock, and Mickey Mouse. Beatle press manager Derek Taylor admitted, it's incredible, absolutely incredible. Here are these 4 boys from Liverpool. They're rude, they're profane, they're vulgar, and they've taken over the world. It's as if they founded a new religion. They're completely antichrist. I mean, I'm antichrist as well, but they're so antichrist they shock me, which isn't an easy thing to do.
Balay kijit ban kantho, bat ban kren ben yau Jisu, bat yakanyam Kristan. Kadau kalong namar baki Beatle, kila cha kontrol haus syaitan. Kila di yala ka mensem chau bat kumta kitre na ka banta jong u ban yele percha yau Jisu badru ban pen priang ya kijing hikai besniu jong syaitan.
John Lennon couldn't have made it any clearer when speaking of the Beatles' success and stating, quote, I sold my soul to the devil. Yoko Ono also made a pact with Satan for Lennon and herself not long before Lennon's death. Albert Goldman reported in his book, The Lives of John Lennon, quote, finally it was time to consummate all these spells by making a living sacrifice and signing a pact with the devil. For Lena was not a white witch. She was the real thing, a practitioner of black magic. There was no knowing what she planned to do to seal the bond with Lucifer. All she would say was that a witch's moon was nigh, and they had to make ready for the sacrifice. Lena said, quote, we've got to make a sacrifice with the blood of an innocent to the one who has the power. They sacrificed an animal to Satan, and Yoko ended up paying the Satanist $60,000. The price, though, would be far more for serving Satan. It would cost John Lennon his life and his soul. Yoko Ono said of the Beatles, quote, something did happen there. It was as if several people gathered around a table and a ghost appeared. It was that kind of communication. So they were like mediums in a way. It was more than 4 people. As I said, they were like mediums. They weren't conscious of all they were saying, but it was coming through them. In his book, John Lennon described the frightening experiences which he had that sound much like classical demonic possession to the Beatles' official biographer, Hunter Davies. Lennon stated, quote, if I'm on my own for 3 days, doing nothing, I almost leave myself completely. I can see my hands and realize they're moving, but it's a robot that's doing it. It's frightening, really. He went on to state also, quote, I felt like a hollow temple filled with many spirits, each one passing through me, each inhabiting me a little time, and then leaving to be replaced by another spirit. As Neil Young sang, there truly is more to the picture than meets the eye in the rock and roll industry. Satan is clearly using rock musicians as his pawns to advance his kingdom.
Une unong ruai hakaway na ki concert jong u bret ya ka Bible, but u kan tho ya ka jingay Kristan. Bunsen u kan tho but kren ben yau Jisu but ka jingay Kristan.
Says right here, you gotta be saved in order to go to heaven. We will no longer be oppressed by the fascism of Christianity.
Uneru balay ujit man kan tho yau Jisu but ya kanyam Kristan. Kadao kalong namar ba uday unong trei jong syaitan. Nabaula dino yala ka mensem chao bamang.
And they thank Jesus for this award. I want you to know that no one had less to do with this award than Jesus. He didn't help me a bit. So all I can say is, suck it, Jesus. This award is my God now.
Balay ka haban kan tho yau Jisu kumne. Kine ki briu ki long shlur hadu kane ban kren ben yau Jisu Christ beriaki Kristan. Kadao jong ka jinglong shlur jong ki kalong. Namar kitip baki Kristan kinamle ban kaput yaki. Penban kin yo ke jingmap ba jingisen na ki Kristan. Na ba Jisu hi ulahikai yangi ki Kristan ban it ban duai ban isnei yakinong chun jongi.
Jesus has become the focus of more ridicule in rock music than any other personality. Virtually every facet of his life and ministry is mocked and criticized. Jefferson Airplane's song, The Son of Jesus, is filled with sacrilege, suggesting, among other things, that Jesus was involved in the occult, had bastard children by Mary Magdalene, and that God the Father was sexually attracted to Jesus' daughter. This type of overt blasphemy is not unique. Virtually dozens of groups openly sing about wickedness that until recently could not be found outside of occult bookstores. For many, it's a matter of economics.
Ozzy Osbourne's No Rest for the Wicked, the new album, plus his new Wicked video.
Rebellion sells in rock, and for the hardest types, what can be more rebellious than to revile Christ and blaspheme God? Whether or not this makes them less satanic is a question we'll address later, but for now, consider the Music of Merciful Fate, a group that takes their Satanism seriously. On the song The Oath, King Diamond sings, I deny Jesus Christ the deceiver, and I abjure the Christian faith, holding in contempt all of its works. An icon for this confession of satanic faith could very well be this album cover by Celtic Frost, with the devil or some demon using Jesus as a slingshot, or the albums by Christian Death. This one is entitled Sex and Drugs and Jesus Christ. Is Madonna, ex-porn star, Time magazine cover girl, and according to polls, one of the most admired and influential women in the world in the eyes of young people. She mixes the sacred with the profane with an intensity that gives new meaning to the word sacrilege. In May of 1985, Madonna told Spin magazine that crucifixes are sexy because there's a naked man on them.
I don't care about your religion. I'm so tired of having non-stop conversations about what the Bible says.
Why does sinful man insist on warring with God?
Usoitan upendon kam yakini kinorwai perthei kibalong kinong tre jongu kibala dino yala kamensem jongki shau ban pen priang yaki jinghikai jongu knang ban panthame bat ban kring yaki khna ki samla badru ki rangba shakehima jongu.
Never was there an art form directed so exclusively to children. The music business is peculiar only in that it caters almost exclusively to children. The evil influence that musicians so powerfully wield over their millions of fans is undeniable, and many of them even glory in it.
They take it quite seriously. I look into the faces of our fans, and I see that they've been touched by the Dark Carnival the same way that I've been.
We didn't do nothing. We're just serial killers. Sure, we got a little problem with necrophilia. I admit it, but you came to us first, right? Just keep this in mind. They're playing our CDs when you're not home. They're playing my tapes in your own car, in the tape deck. And I'm influencing your children.
I'm glad you're influenced by us. Do you do drugs? Go home and smoke something.
I'm influencing your children.
Listen, if you're ever going to commit a crime, you should do it now because you're still a minor.
Look at this. You're just amazed by the power of it. And I was also aware that you could just say, kill, and, just somehow this surge would happen.
Music works in mysterious ways. Once it goes in, you have really no say about what it does to you.
Music is essentially the manipulation of sound. It has the power to arouse. It has the power to frighten.
Billy Joel, looking back on the 50s and 60s, admitted that music was used for subversive sexual revolution.
It has the power to make people feel profane. You know, and all those things they were saying about rock and roll in the early days, saying, oh, it's going to subvert our youth, it's going to make them all want to have sex, it's going to make them all go crazy. They were right. They were right. They were right. They were right.
Just what are groups like the Spice Girls teaching the children? First, notice that they are teaching the children disobedience to parents and that they will not be told to keep their legs shut, encouraging sexual promiscuity among the little boys and girls.
Keep your legs shut. Do what your mama said. I will not be told. Keep your mouth shut, keep your legs shut.
Echoing Satanist Aleister Crowley's philosophy of do what thou wilt in their song Do It, they encourage the children to break God's moral law. The truth of the matter is that God has made beautiful guidelines to protect the sanctity of marriage. After encouraging the children to disobey their parents and break the rules, they encourage them to make up their own rules to live by.
Make your own rules to live by. Come on and do it.
In his song Role Model, Eminem sings the following.
Follow me, do exactly what the song says. Smoke weed, take pills, drop out of school, kill people and drink. Follow me, do exactly what the song says. Smoke weed, take pills, drop out of school, kill people and drink.
Spin magazine stated that Eminem wrestles with the, quote, ramifications he knows he has on his listeners. In his song I'm Back, he declares, quote, I take each individual degenerate's head and reach into it just to see if he's influenced by me and if he listens to music. And if he feeds into this blank, he's an innocent victim and becomes a puppet. In the same song, Eminem goes on to declare his desire to go to Columbine and blow more children away. His record label conveniently blanked out the word Columbine to soften the wicked blow.
I take 7 from stand them all in line. Add an AK-47, a revolver, a 9, a Mac 11 in and ought to solve the problem of mine. And that's a whole school of bullies shot up all at one time.
When dealing with the question of how many young lives are being destroyed as a result of his lyrics, he plays dumb and sings.
I never knew I'd affect this kid. I never knew I'd get him to slit his wrist. I never knew I'd get him to hit this. I never knew I would get this big. I never knew I'd affect this kid. I never knew I'd get him to slit his wrist. I never knew I'd get him to hit this.
On other occasions, Eminem's true colors come out. Eminem admits that many of his rhymes are, quote, intended to push listeners' buttons.
Little kids wanna swear just like me. And run around screaming, I don't care, just bite me. I think I was put here to annoy the world and destroy your little 4-year-old boy, your girl.
Kahima usem ka jingdum karhem bha manta usoitan ula kurup ya chibon ba kikna kisamla badru ya kirangba langba ki jingroi rock and roll pop jazz but hip hop ki jinghi kai jong u chapang ki jingle auria ki jingklim jingdi bu ai jingkran thala jing sarong jingle si le sang jingbom ko ngo bat ka jinghi kai ban le kat bamon kila yo ban su thet hak jingmut chapakhat jongki babon balang husiar yalade husiar yalaki khon kikti badru yalaki bahaying hasem hoy habangi pej yake eke baro ke jingjia hagane ke perthei ka jingrehem ka hima usem ka jingdum ikumba ula job hanreng itip langba ke jingi thulapa hagakten ublei haga kitab jingpun paul nong ka khadwei de khot ka khat san ba utrai jisu un job ya usoitan bat un sanchar junom da junom aingu yo blai yagani ke jingi thulapa ka jingkli yengi lang baro kalong hato hakabakut ikwa bandon hakaliang chongno hakaliang unong job ne hakaliang unong charem la dalong ka mon ublai hak video ka ban sawan ngin page chapang kumno kineki nong ruai ki bapawnam kila dino yala ka mensem chau soitan